Hello students of Standard 4. Welcome you all to Dear Vimal Public School e-learning class. This is your English teacher Renuka Sishewar. So let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we are going to learn a lesson that is Rizzy the Alien. This is part 1. This chapter is taken from your English reader. So let's start. An alien is a person or a creature who is from a planet other than Earth. Do you think aliens exist? Now, this is the story about an alien who gets separated from his family during his journey to the Earth. Let's see the story. Rizzy the alien. Rizzy, it is the name of that alien. Rizzy's dream vacation had suddenly turned into a nightmare. All his plans of roaming around Earth, exploring and enjoying with his family had vanished. He had got separated from his family and was now left alone. What was he to do? He was only a small child, and that too an alien. He had arrived on Earth only a couple of hours ago. He was so mesmerized by the beauty of this planet that he had left the spaceship alone to venture out for some exploration. It was only after some time that he realized that this is the Rizzy who had come to spend time with his family here on the earth for exploring and enjoying with his family. But suddenly he was separated from his family and he was all alone there. He was a child as well as an alien, so he became very frightened. But he loved to see the beauty of the earth, beauty of this nature. He was very impressed and very mesmerized by the beauty of this planet that he had left the spaceship alone to venture out for some exploration. But when after some time he saw that he was alone and he realized that his spaceship had gone. He was left all alone to wander in this strange planet, struck with horror and disbelief. Rizzy wandered aimlessly in the narrow and cluttered by lanes of this strange yet fascinating city. How strange the inhabitants of Earth seemed. It was good that Rizzy knew the art of being invisible, or else he would have been in trouble today because he was left all alone in this planet. He don't know anything, where to go, how to behave, and because of this, he was very scared. And aimlessly, he was wandering here and there, and this in this strange planet. But the good thing was that he knew the art of being invisible. But the problem was arised in front of Rizzy. He could not understand what to do and how to do, and he was very tired and hungry. Rizzy decided to slip into the house at the end of the lane to take some rest and hopefully some food. The house had a warm and welcoming look, and Rizzy soon found himself inside the kitchen. To his surprise, there lay on the center table a cake because he was a very hungry and he was very exhausted because he was wandering here and there alone, aimlessly. So A delicious looking strawberry cake. What else could he have asked for? Without wasting a second, he grabbed the cake and started chopping it greedily. Suddenly, he heard the noise of approaching footsteps. He thought that somebody else is coming towards him. Not wanting to be caught, Lizzie put down the half-eaten cake on the table and moved from there. Dear students, this is the half portion of the story. Its rest of the part we will see in next part. So, this is your homework time, assignment time. Let's see what is in your homework today. Draw a picture of alien by your own imagination. Now, whatever you have learned in part 1 about Rizzi, now think about him and draw a picture on basis of your imagination in your notebook. This is your today's assignment. Rest of the story we will see in second part. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.